I say, today the internet is buzzing. I think the internet is buzzing because today is the 20th of January 2026, and we know, say, Ken Ofori-Atta, who is the former finance minister of the Republic of Ghana, today he's supposed to be in the U.S. court because he has been detained and was appear in Virginia. Na oba court na oba be yin sembia no okoye ana wanko. DNC or court. Why are people talking about the fact that the man in white always is now a man in black? We are going to bring you that details. Hopeson Adorye, a lady, a group of people from Arise Ghana. I could not US Embassy, sorry, I work Ghana. And then see her, the same way, bro. What has happened out of the picketing? There are a lot of people who are talking. Franklin Davis is talking, or Frank Davis is talking, and people have also thrown jabs here and there. Ken Ofori-Atta, Oba and Omba. I or GH24. If today is your first time, please make sure that you look down there, hit the subscription button, hit the bell notification icon so that when I post anything, you'll be the first person to know. Let's get into the issue. Aware say Ken Ofori-Atta is serving a detention. Abra ice team ekokoche no opie ni fie the ice team eko grabe no, and they asked him to go to a detention center or woho at Satnawa men saying. Now today he was meant to come to court. When Ken Ofori-Atta decided to go to court, we are aware that some Ghanaian journalists, like Israel Lai, was at the courthouse at Virginia. Yeah, he said Ken Ofori-Atta will come and sit down. Now, during the case, when Ken Ofori-Atta entered, I'm going to show you a video on the telly when Ken Ofori-Atta entered, and he was in an all-black straight jumper be a channel, and he came to sit down, thinking, say, they were going to start the whole process. At a point in time, we were told that the counsel for Ken Ofori-Atta, who I'll put a picture on the screen, decided that they were going to have a bit of a tete-a-tete with Ken Ofori-Atta. After some tete-a-tete in the bar, I think that Ken Ofori-Atta spotted some of the Ghanaian journalists around where he got a bit alarmed because when we say it will be in the media space. Therefore, the counsel for Ken Ofori-Atta decided to speak to the judge that they want everything in private. They do not want the ruling on the screen. They do not want people to see Ken Ofori-Atta, and we are a bit surprised. This is the former finance minister of the Republic of Ghana, at the U.S. detention center. So if you are appearing on camera, I think it should be normal. But Ken Ofori-Atta didn't want anybody to see or hear whatever is going on. And the judge, granted the counsel for Ken Ofori-Atta more request and cut the video off and granted a private hearing for Ken Ofori-Atta. And everybody is talking. People are asking Ken Ofori-Atta to come home. Obviously, if you have done nothing wrong, if you think, say, you have got any issues to deal with in Ghana, come and deal with these issues in Ghana. Now, I'm not forbid to say, Manasi Azurimo, and some of these Franklin Kujos and these individuals have said a lot of things on the internet. Oko Facebook at the whole, Oko Instagram at the whole, Oko Hi at the whole. What are they saying? They are saying it's a first. Ken Ofori-Atta started by saying, because of ill health unto me Ghana. Now, or they could say because of maltreatment or Ghana or be receiving unto me Ghana. But however, so if you are coming to Ghana, I think it's a great opportunity for people to just come to Ghana, come and face the law. If you have got a good counsel where you will say you have got some big, huge names as part of your lawyers. So what do you fear? Come to Ghana, come and face the law. If you have indicated, hooray, you just wear your white shirt and then you jubilate. And these are some of the reasons in there. Ken Ofori-Atta still. Now, on to me, Mbabedu, and we are just waiting to see what the court ruling is going to be. Is the court going to push him to come to Ghana, to come and face the law? Ken Ofori-Atta has two options, either to go to Canada, either to go to UK, because all those two visas still are available, are very open. So we will still give you details. Now, today, we have also been hearing a lot of noise. A group, a former Arise Ghana, and so a picketing, the U.S. embassy in Ghana. Inimho, and they were led by some renowned people like Mona and Hopeson Adorye. They all led this group, and then Hopeson Adorye made this statement. Let's watch the video.
Mabasa mi babe supporto Arise Ghana for no. Ni omo ye no ya de papa nti no esese mitimi supporto. Ade nti na ya de papa. Yesusu se abranti a ye frɛ no Ken Ofori-Atta. Ye de Ghana sika hye ne nsa no. Miama bi anko yie. Adam penimfo se wo mra no meyi nsɛm bia no. Ka no nso aye se wo ma. Wase bebi akwa hye ne de Jesa Temuda. Ti Ghana pa de nya de a wo ba. Ada nyankopɔ adom. America for atimache ne say wo wura ho mo ka se won tena ho boso mensia anu watena mana abro so eti o makwa kwache no na ene court o mo de no kwa America no enye Ghana asem America emra wabu e America to o mo de no kwa judge nanim na judge ne ka se yes esese wabu mra so nti esese ye deport no ko no kromo a na che se Ofori-Atta ebafie na fie na wo ba no enya aban na akoso ni fie na wo ba no na mu America for se wo mra fie na eno no obedru Ghana na yeso so ya den ya so no mu ansa na wo mu nya na America ho ase wa ankasa ko wo mu bebe kisho so mo de na akwa flight mu na fe wa ko se flight ni de tu a Ghana ha ya ne ba besi enkonko gina ba hia ma obi nsi ansa wo ma ba ha se nti no sa pepepe ene be ko na che se yatimi ni no atwetwe yenso so yenkomo ha sei na se eba se mra no efa ne dia na bebi a esese okoko toboko no akwakoto honum na chese bibi akwakoto ye se eba se court no antima nkase emfa no mra na emo mo behwe mu ni de kai ka ho a Ghana ban so atu anamo a omo ye embassy for no omo ama omo ye a chese omo enso so aseni de akwa America omo edi ho dwuma enti medium ni se kwan bia so no Ken Ofori-Atta beba se Ken Ofori-Atta ekoso atena America no se wo ma obi bia wo tie ye bia no esese ohun se MPP party no for the next 30 years and se omo eba closer to you can say power kra and se omo ba closer because omo ankasa jitu mu se no bibi ankoye and then the letter no yi what try say or sre kwan na meriji what on the 2nd January 2025 na ye hand it over and was say wo ko na wo be ko 4th no about 28 January besinde and na 19 and 20th and then 19 20th aka just 8 days na 1 full year wo maye e kire say wan ka say onimu say wa bokro no wa ye bibi enti na wadwane enti say ni bai ono MPP for ego na wanya hwi no wanya hwi a esese bu hu say yenya bo corruption a eye MPP papa na tima spending $97 million amia di akwakotu amna enya amna ne gege wo hwe adan a na wo ho ayebubu no wo ka say wo quantify sa no manyina ye National Passport Office na wo ho no yebubu no judge for baby a no motete yebubu no embassy bia na wo ho yebubu no ene ade ni akotu amna to ho no na yete ho no ne yesoso so me yeti a me support say kwan bias ye mfa ne mrafie no se anya ne sa ane ye be hye omo aban mu tese no kutu pa se o ade me so me wi eska de bi ye lusu election pa metu kwa brochire me kwa brochire amunya me mfa me mma so on ye che no enti Ghana ni bia emfa hu say o MPP ni support it, let us fight corruption na MPP vote me ka say oh Fourth Republic NDC for nkwa na edu omotum MPP de emfa obi antum mu bredu ti se woni boni a bra ana me boa sa pepepe e ti ebesre obi bia support to say Ken Ofori-Atta be fra brochire aba bedru na yesre American authority ye wa say yes adwema we nyina no benim say American company for no mo hwe zon wonim system no mu a wonti ase ahaya ye dey ye life e wa America awo mo hwe e ti dey know say no Ghana for no mo ani abre and we are praying say nyankopon angasa beta che judge na akuma na ne ice for hwehwe se wafo mu mra nti omo deport no no judge no be jatu mu na yatimi ade na ba kakra metima akane
And the Hopeson Adorye say say MPP for Mona Modi Ken Ofori-Atta bitizo. If you are unable to push Ken Ofori-Atta to come back to Ghana, then you guys, you are failures. So the MPP should be out of government for the next 80 years. Hey, what fucking. The MPP should be out of office for 80 good years. Now, is it justifiable? Is it true? Or is it false? The other side is one of the councils, when you say Ken Ofori-Atta or two councils, the ones who are in the United States of America, almost dealing with the people and almost more Ghana, almost dealing with the situation in Ghana. One of the leading councils are more Ghana, no, your friend Frank Davis. Frank Davis also could play join news, so and Frank Davis also made some fantastic statement hitting a positive jab to those guys who were picketing. And he said that if picketing alone can bring Ken Ofori-Atta from the US, then so be it.
This picketing, and I think people are saying it is a fait accompli.
Yeah,
really?
the process.
I mean,
really.
this picketing, I think people should understand what they do at all times. You think going to congregate in front of the American embassy and throwing placards and banners around would get the American embassy or whatever to deport Ken Ofori-Atta in the country? I mean, if it was that simple, I mean, the whole world would be in turmoil. Sometimes we should be guided and guarded in what we do.
So you feel the picketing is needless?
That is the language you're using. I haven't said anything. I'm saying people should not think that these things are just done in a vacuum. You will congregate or assemble in front of American embassy, hold banners and placards, and you think because you do that, Ken Ofori-Atta will be deported into the country. Oh, come on. Otherwise, if it was as simple as that, why did the government of Ghana to the Attorney General comment or trigger the extradition process?
That is a sarcastic comment, but obviously, the council, they are also protecting the image of Ken Ofori-Atta. Now, let me know what you think. In the coming days, it's going to be interesting because internet is Ken Ofori-Atta coming. What will be the court ruling? Because issue hearing was in a private place, so we couldn't hear or we couldn't get the conclusion of what the US judge actually concluded, if they were going to actually go ahead to deport Ken Ofori-Atta or they were going to deport him to a different country. I had GH League 24. So make sure say comment section. Share your comment. Let's share this video to other platforms. Let's all have an education. Ken Ofori-Atta, that's it. I'm out.